Hello friends! Today is a cooking day. To make our food, we will need a cutting board, a knife, sausage, cheese, butter, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, egg, an egg holder, a salt shaker, 2 slices of bread for toast, a sunny side egg, and bacon. Let's put the egg in the egg holder first. Now let's take the 2 slices of bread and we will put some butter. Nice. Spread the butter on the toast. Yummy. We will add the cheese, lettuce, the tomato, and the cucumber. Oh, and let's make a second toast. We will use the sunny side egg and the bacon. Oops, it doesn't fit. I have an idea. Let's put it under the egg. Perfect. Now we are going to cut the sausage and add it to the bowl. What else should we cut? The egg? Yeah. Let's cut the egg. Oops, it slipped. It's okay. We will put that in the bowl too. Let's salt the food we made. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.